Good day guys, still Drone PH. So I have here another build. So this is the 2S FPV Tinywhoop build, okay? So I build this with the DJI Lite version. So I'll gonna show you if what is the component of this build, okay? Okay, so first component that we use in this build, of course, the DJI Air unit Lite. Okay, second thing is the frame. This is the Mobula 8 frame, guys. Good for a 2S frame. So I like this frame, that's why I choose it. Then third thing is the Betafpv the Meteor 75 Pro Canopy, the Lite version. So I include this with this plywood, the camera adapter, okay? Tulas yellow on the Lite version, okay? The Jhemcu IAU board, the 20 amperes, the 4-in-1 I think. It's have the built-in ELRS. So I will put all in the description below, guys, with this component, okay? The last component is the 1103 motors from Mepsking. So this is the 8000 kb. Good for 2 to 3S. Okay, so we will test if what is the power of this motor, okay? From Mepsking. Okay, so this motor, guys, don't have the 3-pin, okay? I just solder it from my previous motor. So if you don't have the 3-pin, you can solder it directly into the IA board, okay? But as of now, I will use the 3-pin, okay, to connect in the IA board, okay. So let's start the build, guys. Let's go and start to build this 2S Tinywhoop, okay, the HD version, DJI Air Unit Lite. Let's go. Okay, so first thing, of course, the Mobula 8 frame. So this is the Mobula 8 frame, good for 2S. And the Jhemcu IA board, the 20 amperes, good for 2 to 3S. Okay, so I'm gonna show you if what inside the box. Okay, so I already soldered those wiring diagram on this IA board. I'll gonna show you in this screen, okay? Because a lot of time consume if we solder every time, okay? So this IA board have the antenna for ELRS. So they have two version also, the ceramic antenna and this normal UFL. Okay. So I connect the DJI Lite also. So I will include in the screen. And this IA board diagram with this buzzer, the battery connector, and those DJI Lite wired connection, okay? So just check in the screen. And you can solder it, okay? So I put the capacitor at the bottom of the IA board, okay? So you can solder also the motor connection, or you can solder it directly, okay? I choose this IA board because it's possible to build this with HD or in analog, okay? Okay, so next thing is the motor. So I choose the Mepsking motor, the 1103 version, okay? The 8000 kb. So you can solder it directly on the IA board, okay? But for me, for now, I stay with this 3-pin connector, okay? So this motor have available two version, okay? The 8000 kb and the 11,000 kb. So you can choose if what you want. You can solder it because it's not include the 3-pin connector, okay? So let's start the build. So you can check, guys, the arrow of the IA board. Okay, so that is the front. So the position of the IA board is upon the arrow. So just plug in the frame. Okay, so after you install the IA board, you can install the motor for next, okay? Okay, so let's install all motors, guys, and we will finish or watch until the end, okay? So as I have said, this motor don't have the 3-pin. I just already solder with my own, okay? So you can solder it directly on the IA board if you purchase this kind of motor. Okay, so let's go and install it. Okay, so it's done installing all motors. And now we will proceed on the installation of the DJI Opera Air unit, Lite. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this is our DJI Opera Air unit Lite. So we will use the plywood camera adapter, okay, with lens to less jello, just push. Okay, so it's done. So it's have the UV filter, guys, if you purchase this one. So I will put all in the description below if you want to try to less jello on the canopy, because the original Betafpv Canopy have jello on the upper light. So I use this in my Pavo20 also, and I don't have any jello, okay. So let's continue. Okay, so it's done, guys. So the DJI Opera antenna light, so you can change it with the small one, okay, to fit in the canopy. If you don't have, just install the original, okay. So just plug in the DJI Opera light connection. Put the 4 gami on it, on the 4 side. Okay, so if you want to buy also the DJI Opera Air unit light, you can check in their website, okay. I will put in the description below also. Okay, so it's almost done, guys. We will assemble it and we will jump on the settings. Let's go. Okay, so the build is done, guys. So we were using the 550 milliamps, the 2S battery from GNB. I will put all in the description below. Okay, so we'll plug it in. So we will go now to the settings, guys. But before that, a quick information about the Mepsking motor. So the Mepsking motor have 8,000 kb, the 3.8 grams. It's available also on the 11,000 kb motors. Okay, so this is the 286.4 watts. So we will try if what is the power of this motor. Okay, so this is the good for 2 to 3S battery. Okay, so let's jump to the settings, guys, and install those propeller, and we will try outside, okay, if what is the power of this motor. Let's go. Okay, so just open your PC or laptop. Just click the Betaflight. You can download at the Betaflight website also. Just go to CLI, then type the def all. Then you can save your backup, guys. If happen that you have a problem one day, if you finish settings, you can return it on the original, okay? So just save it. Okay, so next thing, we will update the firmware, guys, with this IA board. So I updated with the version of 4.5.1. So I already updated, but I will show you on how. Just click the auto detect. Then select the version that you want. Okay, at down in the protocol, you can put the crossfire if you're using the radio master packet. XBUS if you're using the DJI. Then second thing, you can include the OSD digital, okay? Because it's on analog, you can select the OSD digital, okay? Then you can flash your firmware. If you cannot detect the DFU, you can download the Impulse RC. I will put all in the description also. Just update and flash the firmware. Okay. Okay, so after you flashing guys, you connect it. Then type the def all again. Then clear the history. Then load the file that you saved before. Okay. So you can pick the file, then execute. Then save automatic. Okay, so next thing that we do, we're going to the setup. You move your drone. If the pitch or yaw it's compatible, okay. The next thing, open the RT2 for the RX receiver. Then go to RT5. Open the BTX MSP display port, okay. Then save and reboot. Okay, then third thing, configuration. You can close the LED strip, I think. Then on the OSD, then save and reboot. So I did not touch some of settings guys. Then go to your receiver. Select the crossfire with Radio Master. Then SBUS with the DJI. Then save and reboot also. On your remote controller and try to move this stick guys. If it's not move, you can reset, plug in, plug out, okay, on your PC. And it is moving with the yaw pitch roll. And it's good to go. Okay, so next thing, go to mode. Pick the switch on your remote controller for the arm, disarm, horizon, or any settings, okay. So you can choose auto to detect about the air mode, horizon, or arm and disarm. Okay, so it's all done. It's auto. Okay, so let's go to the motor. So the motor direction guys, you must follow the clockwise and the counterclockwise. So as you see, the 1 and 4 is clockwise. And the 2 and 3 is counterclockwise. Okay, you must follow that. Then you can save it. Just save and reboot after it's done. And connect again, go to OSD. Then select the desired word that attach in your goggles. Like the altitude, the battery. Okay, so after you select the word that you want to see on your goggles, you can save it. Then you can jump to the setup again, okay? So you can follow my settings if you want. Okay, so it's saved. Then we will return to the setup again. And the last thing that we do is calibrate, okay? So you must calibrate the gyro of your drone. So it's follow if what direction do you want. Okay, so it's all set and good to go. So we'll fly outside guys and check if what is the power of this motor from Mepsking. So let's go outside. Okay guys, so finally we are here outside to check the Tinywhoop build, the 2S, and powered by Mepsking motor, okay? So let's see if what is the power of this drone, okay, with this motor. Let's go.
Macro mode off.
Okay, so that's the end of our test, guys. So this drone is very powerful. I love the power of this Mepsking motor. So I'm very impressed with this kind of motor. Okay, so that's only, guys, for the day. Till next time again, and we will fly next time again. Okay, so till next time, see you and happy flying.
Gotta catch another fight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good